Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are driving on Mandela Highway and we're going to be going on to Highway 2000. Today we're going to talk about the interchanges in Jamaica. And they announced recently that they were going to build an interchange for Caymanas to connect both highways, the east-west leg of Highway 2000 and the north-south leg of Highway 2000. So basically you can drive from one highway to the other without having to come off. Now, as of now, they don't have any interchanges in Jamaica. You have a Miami Bay roundabout where you're coming off the Edward Seaga Highway and you go onto the Northern Coastal Highway, but it's not really what you would consider an interchange. So the government had announced recently that they are going to build an interchange for Caymanas, which is further down, to connect both highways. So if you are coming, say, from Mandeville and you want to get onto the highway to take you to Ocho Rios, now you would have to exit on Mandela or exit in Spanish Town and then drive under regular roads to the other highway and get on. So the government announced that they're going to build a Caymanas interchange so that you can stay on this highway that we're on and go directly onto the other highway rather than having to go onto the main roads. So that's an excellent idea, and kind of have to wonder why that wasn't in the plan when these roads were originally designed. But that's good. We'll keep you guys updated on that project once they start. But it was just announced recently. Excellent idea. And then we need more interchanges though. That's just one. But we need a proper interchange by Miami Bay, because it's very unfortunate, but so many times trucks turn over coming off the hill, or they just turn over at that roundabout. They have so many videos of a person or the trucks turned over and persons unfortunately looting the trucks. And there was a video I saw the other day where the driver was still in the truck and some people were trying to get the driver out of the truck because the truck had turned over and people were looting the goods off the truck. Okay, but we need a proper interchange at that intersection. Now, the Northern Coastal Highway is going to be improved or expanded. It's going to look like this road we're on now. It's going between Montego Bay and Ocho Rios, the busiest section of the highway. It's going to be upgraded to 4 lanes, dual carriageway like this. So when they upgrade that road, they need to put in an interchange. They have said nothing about an interchange, but it's needed because you need to get from Highway 2000 north-south leg, also known as the Edward Seaga Highway, onto the Northern Coastal Highway with a proper interchange. The roundabout, it's not working. It's causing too many accidents. And if you're going to spend $120 billion to upgrade the road, you might as well do it with an interchange. So that's 2 interchanges we've talked about. The Caymanas one, that one is announced. It's going to be done. The rest that we're talking about now, like the Miami Bay one, these have not been announced, but we're just saying we need an interchange there. And we need an interchange, well, I'm assuming with St. Elizabeth now is going to get an interchange eventually, because Highway 2000 is going through St. Elizabeth now, and Highway 2000 east-west leg is the road we're on. It's the PJ Patterson Highway. It was renamed the PJ Patterson Highway. And so let's talk about what's going on in St. Elizabeth. Highway 2000 actually is to go from Kingston to Montego Bay. So it's going to go through St. Elizabeth and it's going to go close to Black River and then come back up to Hodges. But there's also a plan to build a coastal highway from Negril to Manchester. So I'm not sure if the plans have changed and that highway from Negril is now going to go to Black River. But let's just assume everything stays the way it is, or even if it has changed, you're going to need an interchange in Black River or somewhere in St. Elizabeth to connect the Highway 2000 from Kingston to Montego Bay to the coastal highway that's going to be built from Negril to Manchester, somewhere in St. Elizabeth. And the best place would be close to Black River, because that seems to be the point, the first point where both the highways will intersect if the routes stay the same. So we need an interchange in Black River. We need one at Miami Bay and Caymanas. And then in Montego Bay now, you're going to have another point where the Northern Coastal Highway touches or merges with the Northern Coastal Highway will merge with Highway 2000. Highway 2000 is actually going to end in Montego Bay, somewhere around the Bogue area. So they need another interchange there so that the roads can be connected and you don't have to come off the highways to get onto the other highway. So that would be perfect, those 4 interchanges. And since we're talking about interchanges, there needs to be another highway that connects you from, say, Mandeville to Discovery Bay. That road was actually to be built as a part of Highway 2000, but they scrapped that idea. But Mandeville could also use an interchange if they were to ever build a highway across the island from, say, Mandeville to Discovery Bay. Alright guys, let us know what you think about these interchanges, and we'll keep you guys updated on the Caymanas Interchange. Alright guys, leave your comments in the section below, and remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.